Upon key on, the system will start up and you should see the main screen. If for some reason it doesn't appear, simply press the home button to return there. If all you'd like to do is listen to the radio, just press the radio button and you're good to go. To connect your phone through Bluetooth, start by pressing home, then phone, and then connection settings. If the system already has phones stored and all the slots are full, you'll need to clear them first. Select Delete All to remove any previously used phones. Once the system is clear, tap Add New on the touchscreen. Now go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, look for Mitsubishi Motors, and select it. Your phone will ask if you'd like to pair. Just select Yes. Once that's done, your phone is connected and ready to use. If you'd like to play music through Bluetooth, go back to Home, choose Media, and then Bluetooth Audio. From there, you can stream music straight from your phone. If you ever want to delete your phone from the system, the process is simple. Press Home, then Phone, open Connection Settings, choose Delete All, and confirm by selecting Yes. Now, if you'd rather use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, you'll need to plug your device in. The USB connection is located near the cup holders. Use your USB cable to connect your phone. On some devices, you may need to confirm that you'd like to connect to Android Auto or CarPlay, otherwise the phone may just charge. Once successfully connected, you'll notice the Android Auto or CarPlay icon become available on the screen. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy your drive.